What's up, guys? Here we're going to show you today what to do, how to properly walk up and down a valley, also what not to do. Now here you're going to walk up a valley in pretty much two different scenarios. One, when it's a super steep roof. This one's kind of steep, not crazy steep, but also we have inclement weather today. So we have a light drizzle. It's making the roof a little bit slick, so we're actually gonna have to do this kind of quick because Nick needs to get down before it's unsafe. So Nick, you're up in a valley right now. Why don't you show us how you got up there and the proper way to walk up and down a valley, evenly distributing your weight on the two slopes. This will not damage the valley in any kind of way, and it's going to allow you to easily walk up and down that valley, even if it's a steep roof. In this case, you need a little extra grip because it's a little slick. Now, Nick, real quickly, so we don't do any damage, show us how to not walk up and down a valley. And there you go, folks. That's going to damage the valley. You don't want to do this. You want to distribute your weight evenly on both sides. Therefore, you're not going to cause any damage to the roof, and you're going to safely be able to get up and down that roof a little bit easier. Hope you learned something today, folks. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on roofing. All right, guys, if you're a homeowner, this is good for you. If you're a roofer, you should know this, but if not, now you do.
There's bees.
All right, guys, we're going to cut this one off so Nick can get down. We'll see you later.